Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get Winter Wonderland themes, snow trees and cozy skin. So you can access Chrome Web Store and click on themes, and here we go. This is Winter Wonderland themes. So here you can get calm winter, penguin, winter window, wolf and ice planet. For example, let's try to click this, add to Chrome, and let's see the install theme wolf and the ice planet. Open new tab, and as you can see, this is wolf and ice planet. And also you can try another theme like the first snow, Santa tracker, Argyle winter. Let's try this one, and here we go. This is the Argyle winter. So how you can uninstall? You can access settings on your Chrome and click on appearance and reset to default. As you can see now, your Google is go back into default mode. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and click this button below. See you in the next video.